Hello gang, welcome here to downtown Nashville, where Nashville's biggest idiot, me, is getting this nice lady who's changing the poster here at the Schermerhorn Symphony Center, which is interesting because when I don't feel like swearing in public and getting in trouble, I say, ask Schermerhorn. I can't wait to see what poster is going to be coming in here. The Isley Brothers. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know they were still touring. You learn new stuff every day. Are you changing them on both sides?
Just this one.
Oh, wow. So look at that gang. The Isley Brothers will be coming here July 17th. And that's a weekday, so I think I might be going. I might go to that one. Yeah, that's good stuff. I didn't know they were still doing their thing. All right, well, thank you for partaking in this nonsense.
Absolutely.
Have fun out there and enjoy those posters. What are those ones?
These are, let's see, Music Queen.
Oh, another band I like. Well, this is just fabulous. Well, enjoy that poster keying, whatever the heck you're doing. And as long as you're not keying cars.
What's that?
As long as you're not keying cars.
Yeah.
Wouldn't want to do that. All right, so long, human.
Bye.